Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and environment. Log into Roblox, enable two-factor, and keep your session cookie ready. Once done, obtain an API key or plan to exchange your cookie for an XCSRF token. This prevents 403 errors. Install Node and NPM, then add Axios or use curl so you can script requests. Make sure to store secrets securely and avoid pasting them in chat. Now that tooling and auth are in place, you're ready to make the first API call. You now run a controlled request flow. Send an initial post to trigger XCSRF token in the response headers, then attach that token and cookie to subsequent state-changing requests. Use get for read-only endpoints and post/put/delete with content type. Application/JSON when modifying resources. Once done, check response codes. 200s are success. 401 means auth refresh. 429 indicates rate limiting. Make sure to finish by validating your changes. Run a get to confirm the resource state, and parse return JSON carefully so you detect partial failures. Once done, maintain logs of request headers, body, and the XCSRF token lifecycle so you can pinpoint where auth or expiry happens. If something goes wrong, rotate tokens, clear cookies, and re-authenticate. Often a 403 or persistent 401 means the token expired. Finally, make sure you respect rate limits and secure credentials to avoid service disruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.